Smartsheet Calendar tutorial. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can get started with Smartsheet Calendar. So Smartsheet is an amazing tool that allows you to organize and perform better because you're able to make sure that you're working with the flow. This is an enterprise-grade work management tool powered with the help of AI. You can use this for project management, event management, higher education, healthcare and life sciences, and much more. It truly is a tool that is amazing as an individual as well as a team. So their products include automation, team collaboration, dashboards, reporting, digital asset management, resource management, proofing, secure request management, intelligent workflow, and no-code work apps. So to get started with Smartsheet for free, click on Try Smartsheet for free to get started. Once you do that, you can proceed on to the next step. Now from here, you're going to enter your work email address, which I'm going to do, and then just click on continue. After that, click on Try Smartsheet for free and enter your first name, last name, and then after that, you're going to have an email in your mailbox. So we're just going to open up our mailbox really quickly and then proceed with our account activation. So here we have it, and I'm actually going to proceed and I'm going to reactivate our trial here, so that we can proceed on to Smartsheet. Now, once we've done that, we can move on into the next step. So within the next step, we're just going to move forward and then we're going to wait for our dashboard to be created so that we can proceed with using Smartsheet. Now, right now, I'm just going to wait. And from here, we're going to create a suitable password for our account and then just retype your password. And then click on next. And once you do that, this is what your Smartsheet dashboard is going to look like. So Smartsheet has a really intuitive platform, which I really do love. And on top, you have your home section. Then you have notifications, search, browsing, recents, favorites, resource management, as well as work apps. They have several different work apps that can help you in organizing your information. So if you go directly into resource management, you can get a free trial of their resource management tool as well. Now we're going to proceed and we're just going to go on ahead and go into the create section. When you go into the create section, you have several different things that you can create. And if you go into your browse section, you would be able to view any of the sheets that you have previously created or deleted. So you guys can see I have several different workspaces and that I've created, but if I want to remove any of these, I can just select them and choose to delete like so. Now we're going to go on ahead, click on create, and then once we do that, we're going to proceed with building our brand new project. Now for this, you can even use one of their templates and you can click on view all templates. So you can have a really quick start when you're getting started with Smartsheet. And using these templates can truly be a easier way to get started because they are so efficient and are really helpful when it comes to just saving time and effort. So right now, I'm just going to proceed over here. And once we do that, we're just going to go on ahead and browse some of the templates. Now for this, I want something that is related to maybe project management or campaign management. And I think I'm going to go with simple project management. Once I do that, I can click on create from template. And then this allows me to basically use this template as my guiding tool and then proceed with creating the rest of my dashboards. And you can truly customize this however you want. You're not limited to just whatever template you've selected. These templates are fully customizable, and this is what is so amazing about using Smartsheet, is that everything can be easily customized and tailored to your business and your business needs. So right now I'm just going to move forward. And then we're just going to go on ahead and invite people. Now I'm the owner and I'm going to make this administrative and I can add other admins, editors, commenters, and viewers. Or you can just copy the link down below and then choose to share that. Now from here, you guys can see within this project, there is a begin here checklist. So first off, they have this little template. You can enter your projects and guides. You can assign your tasks. You can activate your pre-built automations. You can edit the dashboard widgets as well as add a comment. So starting off, you guys can see that for this, you can make a sample project or you can replace the existing sample data and use that. So we're going to go into add to workplace and we're going to be creating a board view and then we're going to be adding our project name. So for this is going to be our project Coco. And then you guys can see task 1, task 2, task 3. These are the statuses. And if I scroll ahead, I can add other lanes. Now within this, let's say I have a backlog, planning, and in progress. Instead of backlog, I can rename this to tasks and then planning. And rather than planning, I want this to be in progress or task. I think I want to remove this status completely. So I'm going to delete this lane. And then we have task, in progress, and then after that we have complete, and then we have approved. Let's say I want an approval lane as well. Then you can see we also have this pre-built task tracker that was created within the template, which is pretty much similar to what our task tracker is. However, you can see this has statuses, filters, which you can add in your own dashboards as well. Now moving forward, we can proceed with this checklist and we assign the task, add pre-built automations, we can customize our dashboard, but we want to actually create a calendar. So for this, you guys can see that calendars are not a direct import, rather you can add them in the form of a timeline view, which I really do love because timeline views allow you to actually keep track of everything and everything stays very organized within these timeline views. So if you click on over here, you can proceed with creating your timeline view, and then from here we're just gonna go on ahead and you guys can see all of the tasks. Now, if you want to reassign any task or reassign anything, you can just click on this. You will see when it is assigned, when it needs to be completed. And let's say we have product distribution. Now I can click on this and then I can edit the details. The details are going to pop up on your right, and then you can proceed with editing, the ending dates or the starting dates, however you want. You can click on the months on the top right to view this in years, weeks, or months, and then you can choose which specific team you want to view, which specific type of tasks, whether you want to view tasks that are assigned to a specific team member, or if you generally just want to view all of the tasks. So this just makes it really helpful for you to be able to easily view all of this, and you're able to move forward with tasks and assignments. Now, other than this, within Smartsheet, you can click on Create, and when you click on Create, you have the ability to build separate dashboards, Gants, and timeline views, which allows you to stay ahead of everything. Now, if you click on Work Apps, you can build a separate Smartsheet Calendar work application. So once you create your app, it will appear over here, and you can click on Work Apps over here to view and manage all of your work apps. Currently, obviously, we have not created a brand new work app, but if we want, we can proceed and then click on work app, and then we can upgrade our plan and then proceed with work apps. Now, Smartsheet starts at only $9 per member per month, and the business plan is $19 per member per month, and then enterprise level has its own custom pricing. Within the $9 plan, you have unlimited free viewers, Gantt, table, board, and calendar views, 250 automations, and on the business, you have 1 terabyte of attachment storage, unlimited automation, admin capabilities, workload tracking, timeline views, and unlimited free guests. So I really do think that this platform provides you with a lot of value that is totally amazing, and you're not going to find these really powerful and efficient and effective tools elsewhere. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions or queries, you guys can leave those in the comments down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.